We'll guide you through how to block or unblock adult websites on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on the iPhone, so perhaps you're finding that adult websites are currently either blocked or unblocked, and you want to go and either block them or unblock them. Perhaps a young person goes and uses the device and so you want to go and keep them blocked and you want to go and block them, or you'll find you can't go and access a certain site you're trying to and you want to unblock it so you can. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through the steps and how you can go and secure the settings as well. So to get started with this, you can't actually do it in Safari itself, so let's come out of it. What you need to do is go and find the settings app on your iPhone. As you can see here it is, it should be on the first page, you can open it up. Now in settings, you don't actually go to the Safari settings. On this main page here, you want to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for screen time. So in screen time, we can essentially go and change restrictions and go and block the access or unblock it. So go and press screen time like so. And then what you need to do is come down and find the option for restrictions. And in here, you'll find content and privacy restrictions. And what you want to do is go and tap on it like so. So you want to make sure these are switched on. Of course, if you're trying to go and unblock the access, you can completely turn it off, or we can go and change the specific setting, which we're going to do. So you want to go and press App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then you want to go down and you want to find web content. So this is probably going to be set to limit adult websites. So what you can do is if you want to go and unblock it, you go and set it to restricted. If you're trying to go and block adult websites, you select it. Now, when you go make a change here, you'll probably get prompted for the screen time passcode if it's been set up. So you need to go and enter it if it has. I'll do that now. If you haven't, then don't worry. If you can't remember it, but it has been set, you don't know it, you have to get the person who set it up to enter it. Otherwise, what you can do is you can come and change it if you forgot it. So you can come back to screen time, press change screen time passcode and press change, and you can press forgot and go and reset it.